Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kadara Dawa back again. So today we're going to be looking at errors, the common errors in Excel. So the first error that we're going to be talking about is the num. Num occurs when you have a wrong formula or you have not separated what you want. For example, I'm going to use this. For example, I'm looking for sum equals sum shift math. You see, this is G2. So I'm summing G2 to this. Then I enter. So you see, I get 88. Then if I go to my formula bar here and I delete that, that's separating the different cells, then I enter, I get a num error. Then if I also have like a wrong formula that is not recognized, I also get a num error. Like for example, if I come here to this formula that I typed, I can either separate this using a comma. Then here on this, I remove the M. Then I enter. It will still give me the num error. Yeah, that is all about the name error. Then we also have the div stroke 0. This occurs when you divide any cell with 0 or an empty cell. So let me say equals to this cell. Then I divide it by 0. Then I enter. I'll get div divided by 0. Or when I have this cell divided by an empty cell. This cell divided by an empty cell, I also get div divided by 0. So that's all about div divided by 0. We also have the value. A value is when value error occurs when I enter in an argument that is not expected, of expected type. Let me say, for example, I have equals to sum this cell and that. Then I enter. No. Let me try this. Equals to this cell plus math. Yeah, I get a value error because the argument which I used here, this is not of expected type, because here I'm dealing with digits, not math. Then we also have another error of reference. We have other ones of reference. So a reference occurs when I delete a cell. Let me say, maybe I was doing this, I have my digits here. Sorry. Take for example, I have my digits here, maybe 32. Then I come here as I'm looking for a total. Let's say for example here I had 43. Then I come here, I'm looking for a total. I say equals to this plus, sorry, plus this, enter, I get my answer. But when I come and remove and I delete this column, delete that column, I get reference ref. Instead, I get a ref error because that column was deleted and it had my digits. So I get this error. So for errors, I think that's where I will stop. And there are other errors like the null. Null also occurs when the ranges are not separated. Then we have the NA. NA occurs when the data is not available. For example, like you're doing lookup and the data is not there that you're putting. Then the num occurs when the argument you're using is too big. Yeah, too big. Maybe you're adding too big values, then it becomes num. Yeah. Thank you for listening. Let's all subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to comment. Bye bye.